Hey there! In this video, we're going to talk about what a VPN is and why it's so important for your online privacy and security. Whether you're just browsing the web or doing something more sensitive, a VPN can make a huge difference. When you use the internet without a VPN, your IP address is exposed. This means that websites can see your real location and even track your online activities. Not only that, but some apps or services might be restricted in your region, and you won't be able to access them unless you find a workaround. Now, here's where it gets concerning. Without a VPN, your internet service provider, ISP, can see everything you do online. That means they can track your browsing habits, what sites you visit, and even the apps you use. On top of that, hackers can also monitor your activity, especially when you're on an unsecured network like public Wi-Fi. First, let's talk about what is a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a technology that creates a secure connection between your device and the internet. So, how does a VPN help? Well, with a VPN, instead of connecting directly to websites or services, your connection first goes through a VPN server. Then, the server connects to the website or service you want to access. This makes it look like your IP is coming from the VPN server, not your actual location, so websites can't track your real identity. For example, if you're in the USA and a service is not available there, you can change your IP by choosing a VPN server in a country where the service is accessible. You can use it just like you're in that country. Not only does a VPN mask your IP, but it also encrypts your internet traffic. This means your ISP can't see what you're doing online, and it becomes much harder for hackers to track your activity or intercept your data. It's like putting your data in a safe, making it super secure while you're browsing or using apps. While a VPN offers amazing security and privacy benefits, it's crucial to choose a reliable VPN provider, because all of your internet data passes through the VPN provider servers. So, if you don't choose a trustworthy VPN service, your data could be at risk. Always go with a reputable provider that values privacy and security. That's it for today's video on VPNs. Hopefully, now you have a clearer understanding of what a VPN does and why it's so important. Also, you know how a VPN can protect your privacy and help you access content from anywhere in the world. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're always in the loop. I want to hear from you. Do you usually use a VPN? Which one do you use, and what do you think is the best one? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. In our next video, we'll be diving into the different types of VPNs, so stay tuned for that. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.